Hi guys, so to explain this matter in deep, I have to tap on the YouTube studio and it will be open and I have to go down. Like me, you can see non-YouTube issues, likes and subs count, discrepancy in watch page versus YTA. Here the question, what is the meant by YTA? YTA means YouTube Analytics, and here the what the mean by watch page. Watch page means wherever your audience watch your videos, that is the called watch page. So the main issue is why are you seeing this kind of notification and why are you seeing this YouTube issues in your YTA YouTube Analytics? So are you thinking of that your channel is doing wrong or not wrong? And are your subscribers dropping like mines? And are your subscribers not updating like mines? So this video is for you and I will explain A to Z in this video about this issue. The what is the issue means and what the actually YouTube want to explain us. For all of this, we have to go on this article. Just tapping by it, I will go on this article and I will explain you this in the deep way. So I am asking, why are you thinking that your subscribers are dropping like mine? And why are you thinking that your YouTube analytics subscribers are different from your watch page? I mean, whenever you see your watch page means YouTube app subscribers on your channel, you see the more subscribers or the down subscribers. And whenever you go in YouTube analytics, you will see your subscribers more or down. It means you see the different in YouTube analytics and different in YouTube app. So here the main problem YouTube want to explain us. YouTube says there is a discrepancy between likes and dislikes and subscribers count watch page versus YouTube analytics that's affecting many channels. It means YouTube says that your subscribers count on YouTube app is different of on your YouTube analytics subscribers count and likes and dislikes too. And this is the not problem of channels. This is the problem of YouTube. This is the YouTube bug, YouTube error, not your channel mistake. Is the problem YouTube facing, that is the YouTube error, YouTube bug, and we want to update us that we have noticed this issue and our engineering team is working on it and to fix it. You have to not need to send us any feedback and any letter if your subscribers are dropping nowadays. So don't tell your friends to subscribe you right now, and your dropped subscribers will be come back after the solution of this problem.